Chase, do you want to open Oma's present?
You want to do this one? Do this one for Daddy. Okay. Okay, do that one for Daddy.
You look like you're falling down. Do you feel like your stomach's lower?
Yeah, he didn't drop yet.
No, it seems it.
And there's...
Stop. Chase, do you want to open those presents from Oma?
Yeah.
Okay, put drum here. Yeah, look. Oma's. Okay, these are from Oma. You say thank you to Oma. You open. Rip it. Who's on the paper? Who is that? Diego.
You won't let go of the beat.
What's
Whoa.
that? What is this? So look at this one. What is this? No, it's for Chase. The lights.
This Chase's.
Flashlights. Here, open this one.
It's like what? The other one just went out.
It's because he takes it to bed with him.
He does?
Put that down. And use 2 hands.
Oh, you're gonna love this one. I don't know what it does, but it's push button, just like the other one.
Oh, what? The other one is push button?
What type of batteries does this take?
Looks like a real big one.
No, they just do you like
Double
that.
A.
Triple A.
No, I don't know what that is. It's probably double A, yeah.
Do you need batteries?
Yeah, do you want to go upstairs and get them, or you want me to do it?
I have some downstairs.
Are you asking me if I want to climb upstairs?
No, I was asking my mom. I can just get them.
Oma bought this for you. Yes. For your birthday.
You put it on Turkey jeans.
Yeah, but how do you work the light?
Oh, I don't know how to try.
Is that waking up?
No, but this thing has to come out somehow.
Oh, it's not as bad.
Something like that, yeah, I'm not sure. It has a compass on it,
What's
so you'll
that?
never lose your way.
Turn it over. Flip it.
Turn it around.
Flip it.
Like this.
Wow.
Look. What's that? Diego. And what's this? Colors. Square, he says. You know, you have one more present. It's in that box. You want to get it? What? What, you want this? Do you want to open your other present?
You in a band? Of course, the one thing that you would like is musical things, which are like probably the most expensive things to buy. Look at you. I'm not Oma. Okay. I'm the first one in your band.
You want to know what's in here? Come here. Okay, how about you open this box and then I open that for you, okay? Come here. What's in the box? What is that? What is it?
think you have a hard head.
Come here. No. You stand. Look, stand up. Let mommy show
What do
you.
you mean? Daddy doesn't pull me around
Look.
this thing?
Like this. You do. Give me the bee.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, now push with your foot. Yeah, like that. Push. Oh, good. Great job. Watch the table. The scooter.
I gotta eat them, Star.
Yeah.
Did you want some apples?
Come on. That's the